ID.UNYX is the first mass-produced pure electric model from Volkswagen Anhui, Volkswagen's third joint venture in China. The exterior design of this car is actually derived from the Cupra Tavascan, a sub-brand of Seat, and this model is the same. Produced on Volkswagen's MEB platform, Volkswagen had previously started producing this car and exported it abroad under the Cupra label. In terms of appearance design, ID.UNXY is different from the family-style design of ID series we have seen so far. The new car is bolder and unrestrained in design, which is clearly the design direction of the two styles. As for the front of the car, ID.UNXY also adopts a transitional type design, but the transitional type headlight logo does not pass over the Volkswagen logo in the middle. This also creates a certain contrast with the common design of the current model. The ID family also improved the appearance of the vehicle. In terms of the shape of the lamp unit and the front face, compared to the more rounded style brought by the previous ID family, this design is also the same as the Cupra Tavascan, but ID.UNXY's unique design in the lower surround and the shape of the light group are more concise. In terms of side design, ID.UNXY adopts a unique coupe SUV style. The general side line is low at the front and high at the rear, while straight lines are also used to create the outlines in the side design. The entire car has a sporty feel. In terms of window design, the A-pillar and B-pillar are darkened, which gives a stronger sense of integration and adds a sense of science fiction to the exterior design. The rear window line is located higher and rises significantly. The style of the wheels also adopts a mecha-style design. Such an avant-garde design style is rarely seen in conventional Volkswagen models. Large wheels also add a lot to the design of the vehicle. In terms of body size, it is 4,663 by 1,860 by 1,610 mm, and its wheelbase is 2,766 mm. The size is relatively close to ID.4 and ID.5 series. It also offers a very integrated design in terms of its rear design. The shape of the trunk lid is very sculptural and creates a strong sense of unity. The shape of the taillights is also very distinctive. It also makes the three-layer, three-dimensional floating stack shape of the U-shaped taillights well recognizable when illuminated at night. The center of the central control is equipped with a 15-inch central control screen. The user interface inside is also newly designed, meeting basic navigation and entertainment needs, and supporting mobile phone interconnection functions such as CarPlay and HiCar. The new car was born on Volkswagen's MEB platform in terms of power. ID.UNYX will be equipped with two power systems, 170 kW single engine and 250 kW dual engine, and will use an 82.4 kWh triple lithium battery pack. It will have a range of 621 km and 565 km under CLTC conditions.